Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, your Stampin' Up demonstrator from Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome to a collaboration with my good friend Tricia Smith. She is from Smith's Crafty Creations in Scotland, and we have a really great collaboration video for you today. I'm using the Wonderful World Sale A Bration bundle. This is free throughout this month with a $180 order here in Australia. It's different for different markets. Highly recommend it, but this card is so easy. It's also a really beautiful card to create. Now, I'm not going to be talking about the measurements or how I'm doing it as I go through this video, but I do have a free download that you can get all the measurements and supplies from. It's in the description of this video. In the description, you'll also see a link to Tricia's video, so please go and check hers out. Give her a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave her a comment. And please do the same for mine as well. So we thought we'd do a video where we're talking a little bit about Stampin' Up and about our teams. There is a really great special on at the moment. If you join Stampin' Up, you're getting a free planner bundle, which has a stamp set, has a planner, has notebooks, has tons of supplies in it, which is a really great tool if you want to run it as a business or if you just want to help with your social life, getting that all set up. So that is available for everyone who joins Stampin' Up before the end of this month. Alright, so we have a few questions that we're going to ask and answer. So I hope that you enjoy this video and please leave me a comment. So the first question was, what has been the most challenging thing in our Stampin' Up business? So for me, I am a very shy person. I do not like attention at all. So for me, videos have been the biggest thing for me, and my family still can't believe that I even do videos, that I go and show my face or that I talk. And if you follow me, you'll probably already know I still get very, very nervous when I'm doing videos, but it's something that I really wanted to do, so I step out of that comfort zone. But for me, that is probably my biggest most challenging thing in my business, is being out of my comfort zone and continuing anyway. What has been the most rewarding thing in your Stampin' Up business? So for me, my most rewarding would have to be my friendships that I've made. I've made friendships from around the world, and I am so thankful for all the friendships that I have, both with demonstrators and just people who follow me. So I have people who purchase off other demonstrators overseas that follow my videos and leave comments, and I feel that I have their friendship as well, and for me that is amazing. I've also made some wonderful Stampin' Up demonstrator friends. I've been lucky enough to attend an on stage overseas in the US, and where I got to meet people who I already knew through blog hops, as well as big demonstrators that I've followed and been a fangirl of for so long. I was able to meet them as well, and you know, it's funny because now I actually work for one of them, which I met while I was over there. So you know, it's funny how life works, and yeah, people are just everyday people. So it's really nice to be able to put faces to people who you follow. But anyway, so yeah, my most rewarding is definitely the friendships, both from my customers and from people who follow me and fellow demonstrators, as well as the skills that I've been able to learn over the time of doing videos and my Stampin' Up journey. I have been from completely computer illiterate to I'm very technology. I'm definitely not technology savvy, but what's the opposite? I'm really bad with technology, and these are skills that I have been able to teach myself. Google is my friend, YouTube is my friend, and and I've been able to teach myself and learn a lot throughout my business. I've been a Stampin' Up demonstrator coming up 10 years, and from the very first time that I decided that I was going to go online, there is a lot to learn. So if you guys don't do videos, it's amazing how much work goes into these videos, both recording or even creating your product and then recording, editing, uploading, and all the little bits that come with it, thumbnails, oh, you name it. There's so much involved in it, and it's a lot of work, but I'm so thankful of the skills that I have learned along the way. Alright, so the next question would be, what makes my team, which is the Inky Stampers, the team to join? Well, I think I have a really nice little team. We get together every single month with a crafty chat, and we always do some sort of crafty project. I love the downtime with these ladies because it's so nice to be able to have like a little crafty family that gets together, and we have fun, we have laughs, we create great projects together, and it's just a really nice environment. For me, I don't have a lot of crafty friends in real life, so having these friends through this Stampin' Up business has been wonderful for me. I've just increased my friendship group, which has been really, really nice. So yeah, we get together every month. I'm available for them with questions at any time. So because I am a little bit more small time, I am available and happy to help in any way, any questions to ask. And yeah, so I think we have a great little team. So if you're interested, you want to find out more, please get in touch. Yeah, so what was the next question? What do I look forward the most as a demo? Okay, so this is a little bit tricky because there's quite a few things that I look forward to the most. For me, the friendships. I look forward to meeting new people and creating those friendships. Over the last couple of years with COVID, we've had virtual get-togethers that Stampin' Up have Demonstrator events, and they've been virtual, so I haven't been able to do that quite so much. I don't like the virtual side, but we have an event coming up with On Stage at the end of this year in November, and these are Demonstrator events where we all get together and have a lot of fun. These are what I look forward to. These are so good for the soul. You know, it's a really nice environment. We get to learn some new things. We get to see new product. If you're a demonstrator now, you can actually sign up for On Stage to join in. It's all around the world. There is an On Stage On Stage event that's a 3-day event in Vienna, but everywhere else is a 1-day event. And yeah, so that is definitely one thing that I look forward to the most as a demo. I also look forward to seeing the catalogues and the discount. Obviously, my discount is something that I really cherish being a demonstrator. The next question is, what is my favourite technique? Well, for me, it's heat embossing. I do it on just about every card that I do. So, as you can see, even on this card, I have done it. That is my definite favourite technique. How do I run my business? Is it online or in person? For me, I started as an in-person. I did classes here in my little rural town. I'm now online because I can reach more people. I do have a blog as well as an Instagram account, a YouTube channel, so you can follow me in a few different ways. But yeah, I pretty much do only online now, which is great. Who is my favourite Stampin' Up demo to follow? So I'll finish that card. Let me quickly go through my favourite Stampin' Up demos. The first one will be Wendy Cranford from Love and Stampin', Melinda Hart from Stampin' with Heart, Sam Donald, who is Pootles over in the UK, Dina Rico from the Creativity Cave, and Julie DiMatteo, the Paper Pixie. So if you haven't heard of any of them, check them out. They are wonderful and very creative people, and you can see a lot of inspiration from those. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you're in need of any of the supplies I've used on today's card, you can purchase them in my online store. I'll have a link in the description. And please go over and check out Tricia's cards and leave her a lovely comment as well. Alright, thank you so much for your time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget the free tutorial as well. Alright, bye bye.